What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a nice cold rainy day here in Tennessee. So today we're going to knock out the mock-up of the 1JZ and the Conquest. As you can see, nothing left in the engine bay. It's all empty. The mounts will just bolt right here in the factory location. I'll have to hold some of these miscellaneous lines up out of the way and stuff like that. I'll probably just disconnect that here in a little while. But yeah, I'm going to get this thing pushed out a little bit so I can get the engine out. I've got it tucked back here and all of my junk. And we will get started. We're working with the world's worst hoist, guys, so bear with me. Alright guys, so we hit our first roadblock. The sway bar is not going to clear the oil pan. It's a front sump setup, so I'll have to drop that out of the way and figure that out after the fact. So I'm going to go ahead and get that dropped down and out of the way, and then we should be able to set this thing right on in. Alright guys, we got the sway bar off. It took a little bit of finessing. One of the bolts was kind of just stripped up inside the frame. I guess the threaded part just broke loose and was just spinning, so we'll have to figure something else out to fix that in the future. But she should go right in now, so let's hop to it. Alright guys, roadblock number 2. The old radiator lower support. So since the radiator is going to be in front of the core support now, we're no longer going to need that anyway, so it's not a big deal. Now, she should go in. Alright guys, so we're way past my 15-minute mark. I knew this would happen, but I kind of fudged it up. I didn't realize when I was putting the swap mounts on, there's 2 mount holes back here. As you can see, this mount is way too far forward to hit the pad on the frame. Small little inconvenience, but it's kind of the stuff that happens when you're doing this kind of stuff, so no surprise here. All right, guys, so she's pretty much in. I just got to tighten up all these mount bolts, and she's solid, guys. She is not going anywhere. All right, so that's one Xena Conquest, guys. It is rock solid. You could pick the car up from that engine. Wouldn't suggest it, but anyways, plenty of clearance back here to run any wiring harness and all that stuff. It actually fits really well. We'll do a 90 here, and then come out and then run our intercooler piping. Yeah, not much further to go, guys. We're gonna get that old junk 2-inch exhaust out of there. I just kind of left it since I wasn't doing anything under the car. I'll pull that, all the old fuel system, evap, all the stuff that's not gonna be needed for the swap. And yeah, radiator will be mounted out here, intercooler, oil cooler. I'm planning on trying to do an electric power steering setup. Seen a couple guys doing it here recently on YouTube in their drift cars and stuff, so I think that'll be a nice, safe way to go. Won't have to worry about, you know, pumps and all that stuff. Just wire it up and go. So that's it for today, guys. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Click that notification bell so you get notifications when I upload new content. I'm going to try to stay religious on at least a video a week for you guys from here on out. It's been kind of hard, but I've had a lot of time off lately, and coming up I'm probably going to have a little bit more, so got more time to set aside for the projects. We'll be doing some stuff on the Razor on the channel as well as the Subaru. Just kind of let me know what you guys want to see. We'll probably be doing some half doors, the rear windshield, bead locks, carnivore tires on this. I've got plans for a cooling balance kit from Vim's Tuning on the WRX. Just clean up a lot of the stuff under the hood. I don't know if it was the previous owner or the previous owner, but they just kind of hacked a lot of stuff in there and did a really piss poor job of running everything and routing everything. So we're gonna do a lot of cleanup on that car. It's the daily for now, so all the reliability stuff that I can do, I'm gonna try and knock out as soon as possible. But like I said, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Also, guys, I shot this entire video from the GoPro. Normally I use my Canon G7X. Let me know which one you like better. The Subaru video on the seats was shot with the Canon, and like I said, this is the GoPro. I feel like the color is a little bit better. It's more portable. I can kind of stick you guys in the engine bay or wherever I need to so you can see what's going on. But just let me know in the comments which one you prefer, and we'll either stick with one or start using the GoPro from here on out. Thanks, guys.